Hey everyone, welcome back to DaVinci Academy. Have you ever wondered if humans are still evolving, or if we've reached our final form? Did you know that some people have evolved to be immune to HIV? Today, we're diving into the ways humans are still changing and adapting to the modern world. Let's get started. Evidence number 1. Evolving to survive high altitudes. How do people living in the Himalayas or Andes survive at high altitudes with less oxygen? Tibetan Highlanders have evolved a unique version of the EPAS1 gene, which helps them use oxygen more efficiently without overproducing red blood cells. This adaptation prevents altitude sickness, allowing them to thrive in low-oxygen environments. Research shows that this gene is more prevalent in Tibetan populations, highlighting ongoing evolution. Evidence number 2. Evolving to resist HIV. Did you know that some people are naturally immune to HIV? This is thanks to a genetic mutation known as CCR5 delta 32, which prevents the virus from entering their cells. This mutation is particularly common in Northern Europe, where up to 10% of people carry it. Researchers believe the mutation originally provided protection against ancient diseases like smallpox, which gave survivors an evolutionary advantage. Over time, this mutation spread, offering protection against modern diseases like HIV. Evidence number 3. Evolving to live underwater. Did you know some humans have evolved to become natural divers? The Bajau people, often called sea nomads, have lived for thousands of years in Southeast Asia, relying on freediving for food. They spend a significant part of their day underwater, hunting fish and gathering resources. A study published in Cell found that the Bajau have evolved larger spleens, which help store more oxygen-rich red blood cells, allowing them to hold their breath for longer periods up to 13 minutes at a time. This genetic adaptation is a stunning example of natural selection, showing how human evolution can respond to specific environmental pressures. Evidence number 4. Evolving to fight malaria. Why do some people have a natural resistance to malaria? In regions like sub-Saharan Africa, where malaria is common, some people carry the sickle cell trait, which alters the shape of red blood cells and makes it harder for the malaria parasite to infect them. Though the sickle cell trait can cause health problems, in malaria-prone areas it provides a huge survival advantage. This is a textbook case of natural selection, where individuals with this trait are more likely to survive and pass on their genes. Evidence number 5. Evolving to survive the cold. How are some people able to withstand extreme cold temperatures better than others? The Inuit people of Greenland have evolved genetic adaptations that allow them to thrive in freezing environments. A 2015 study found that these genetic traits help their bodies metabolize fat more efficiently, generating body heat even in harsh Arctic conditions. These adaptations are perfect examples of how humans continue to evolve to survive in extreme environments. Evidence number 6. Evolving to be taller. Why are humans today generally taller than our ancestors? One visible sign of modern evolution is the increase in average height, especially over the past century. Studies in the Netherlands, where people are among the tallest in the world, suggest natural selection favors taller individuals. A 2015 study showed that taller men tend to have more children, passing on their height genes. While improved nutrition and healthcare are key factors, natural selection is also at play. Evidence number 7. Evolving to digest milk. Why can some people drink milk without issues, while others get sick? The ability to digest lactose is a relatively recent evolutionary trait linked to dairy farming. In Northern Europe and East Africa, where dairy farming has been common for thousands of years, people have evolved the ability to digest lactose throughout their lives. A study in Nature traced this genetic adaptation back about 7,500 years, showing how humans evolved in response to dietary changes. Evidence number 8. Evolving to lose wisdom teeth. Ever wonder why so many people need their wisdom teeth removed? Modern humans are evolving to have smaller jaws compared to our ancestors, largely because of our shift from tough, raw diets to softer, cooked foods. As a result, there's less room for wisdom teeth. Research shows up to 35% of people are now born without one or more of these teeth. This trend, especially common in populations with modern diets, is a clear sign of evolution. So, are humans still evolving? The answer is a resounding yes. From disease resistance to dietary adaptations, the evidence of ongoing human evolution is all around us. If you enjoyed learning about it, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to DaVinci Academy. Thanks for watching and stay curious.